Hi friends, I'm Scott from Sharkey's Greenhouses and Beat Your Neighbor Fertilizer, and today I want to show you something really cool. Now I've got this coleus here that I planted it in packing peanuts. Now should I have planted it in these nutritious packing peanuts? No, of course not. That's ridiculous, and it's a ridiculous example, but you know what? Some of you do this, and you go to the big box retailer and the grocery stores and the Home Cheapo chains, and you pick up that garbage soil and you try to plant nice beautiful plants and flowers in the equivalent of packing peanuts, and it doesn't work. You just get frustrated and your flowers don't turn out, and you're like, oh Scott, I just don't have a green thumb like you do, I have a brown thumb. Well, no, it's probably because you're doing dumb things like getting garbage soil, okay? This will never work. There's no nutrients here, there's nothing for it, and even if you use our good Beat Your Neighbor fertilizer, there's no delivery system for the nutrients because it's packing peanuts. Same thing as when you get that garbage soil. Stop doing that. You need good soil, and that's why we always preach on having good soil. That is your starting point for having beautiful plants and flowers. You wouldn't build a home on top of sand, right? No, you would pour a concrete foundation, a basement, something good and strong, solid foundation. And that's what soil is. That's your solid foundation. Because if we get this wrong, we can't move on from there, okay? Your plants will never turn out good. Cheap soil equals cheap results. They'll never have big, beautiful plants and flowers if you're using the wrong types of soils. So stop going to the grocery store and the big box retailers and buying the garbage soil. Those big national brands, none of us that actually do this for a living use those soils, and you shouldn't either. Be sure to give us a thumbs up on our videos and to follow us on Facebook, and head over to YouTube where you can subscribe to our channel there. We have hundreds of videos, including the video where we're talking about soil and the hydrofiber. We have videos on watering and fertilizing. We have hundreds of how-to videos, so that's a great place to watch our videos there. And also head over to beatyourneighbor.com where you can find the soils and of course our Beat Your Neighbor fertilizer. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.